Was it too high? You can do it. You can do it. Oh, you made it up. Good job. Yes, we're going to leave the sticks there, please. Thank you. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, good job. Oh, thank you for letting him through, Reeve. That was very nice. Oh, are you too fast? Oh, you're so fast. Are you ready to come back down? Whoa! Hey, good job. Yes, he's gonna move out the way so that you can come down. See, you guys can take turns. Yeah, see, Reeve, do you like the scooter? Yes, you like the scooter. And here we go. Ooh, down, 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 down. Oh, goodness. Okay, you want to tell the baby thank you for letting you ride his scooter?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, oh, wow.
I love riding out.
You love riding the scooter.